Model, 64-plate Isuzu D-Max 2.5 4X4 Utah double cab automatic needs small turbo bargain. Body, white 4x4. Mileage, 180,738. MOT, 28 January 2025. Engine, 2499 cc Ford JK1 intercooler E5A. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs really well. This is the twin-turbo model. The small turbo is noisy and will need replacing immediately. The larger turbo and the engine are 100% fine. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear.